Klondike Gold Rush National Historical Park is located where the mountains meet the sea in beautiful scenic Skagway, Alaska. Here we tell the story of colliding cultures, people trying to strike it rich, and the perils that they faced along the way.
During your time here, there are so many things that you can do within our visitor center and also our historical district. So follow me inside, folks, and check out our actual visitor center, all right? We recommend beginning your journey here with our 24-minute park film in our theater. Feel free to ask your ranger about any of our ranger-led activities, like our ranger-led map chat or ranger-led theater program in our theater.
You can discover history by taking part in ranger-led tours of the Jeff Smith's Parlor Museum and by visiting the Skagway Historic District. Children of all ages can take part in our Junior Ranger program, which can be done throughout the park using our booklet or by coming in to the Junior Ranger Activity Center and completing interactive activities that can be done right here in the historic Pantheon Saloon.
While you're here, you might want to take a trip off the beaten path and visit the historic ghost town of Dai. This town was once a boomtown that rivaled Skagway during the gold rush, but has since been reclaimed by nature. Are you staying for a while? You might want to consider hiking or backpacking the Choku Trail.
At Klondike Gold Rush National Historical Park, there are many ways to explore the exciting history of the Klondike Gold Rush. We hope to see you in Skagway and help you find your park.